Today, I'd like to say about the fourth data loss section. The video filmed by Sewol is close related with the fourth data loss section, in addition to government's AIS data and other various kinds of data. Who sank Sewol ferry? Unearthly government's track sheet. Sewol left a video that may solve the mystery in the data loss section. This data is important. Government said that the accident ended here and then Sewol ferry started drifting at this position. Byongpung Island is in the left end. In this picture, turning angle is very important. If Sewol ferry turned from 140 degrees to this angle, she had to turn about 100 degrees. According to government's report, the crew veered the helm stepwise, but this situation was finally resulted in. The crew asserted that they turned off the engine at the point of orange dot. They said drifting started at 08:51:09. However, a captain said that he did not trust such report already. He said, if such data is true, Sewol ferry had to continue turning more. In addition, if Sewol ferry drifted upward, she had to move at 1.7 knot of speed to meet tidal speed at that time, but she moved at 10 knots of speed. The engine seemed not to be turned off at this position. The third question is that, as reported by CNN, Sewol ferry could not face Byongpung Island. Nevertheless, they made no statement on such incorrect data. What's more important is that, if the video filmed on Dula Ace is true, as the antenna is in the front side, GPS line should be in red, curved arrow in the right is shown. Although Sewol ferry has no antenna in her stern part, according to government's report, GPS line is in blue dotted tracks in the left. In conclusion, there is the possibility to make the coordinates in assumption that Sewol ferry might face Byongpung Island. Also, another irrational point is that, in this part, Sewol ferry turned almost 180 degrees. And then, the antenna had to turn, generating a projection part. However, the antenna turned smoothly, generating no specific tracks of projection. In the section from the starting point and ending point of this yellow curved arrow, almost 180 degrees of turn is required in order to meet the situation reported by CNN. I wanted to know what situation was made in such kind of turning situation. I obtained a video filmed by Sewol from her mother and was surprised to know the length of the video. The playing time of the video was as long as 55 seconds. Let's watch the video left by Sewol.
우리 지금 벽에 붙어 있다. 대박. 이거 내가 해볼게. 이거 내가 들고 있어 이제. 잠깐만. 거기 울었어? 야, 나 렌즈가 뭐? 야, 왜 이래? 이거 원래 이래? 아프게. 멈춘다. 우린 아직도 이러고 있다.
It's possible to know how Sewol ferry moved at that time based on the movements of curtains. The details will be explained in next episode.